Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with your laptop stuck on a hibernating screen. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and now you just need to select power options. And now you just need to select preferred plans. You just need to select change plan settings. Click on it. And now select change advanced power setting, click on it. And now select restore plan defaults, select it. And now select yes. And now after doing it, you just need to select OK. Close it off here. And now go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on it and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type sfc space slash scan now. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer. This verification need to get 100%, so kindly please wait until this done. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.